I'd like to try and understand how reality can be explained in a first-person point of view instead of a second-person point of view. In a second-person point of view, each person has a brain inside their head that thinks about what they are experiencing and can listen to other people's ideas and form a model of reality that way. Anyone can get themselves a telescope or a microscope and look at distant stars or tiny uh, single cell life and be able to process directly that information as they think about it. But the problem with that model of reality is that everything that we see and think about has to be represented in vivid clarity inside of our brain as we look at it and think about it. And that vivid clarity, I would say, is enough to require using up the entire space of our brain just to draw a rendering of what it is we're thinking about it, not including the ability to talk about what we're seeing, to construct a logical progression of from a premise to a conclusion, and to use the words you know, the phonics you know, and the resonances of your mouth, natural resonances of your mouth, to be able to speak about your scientific theory. Well, in the first person point of view, the space with which something that I'm seeing occupies as I'm thinking about it is part of myself, not something that is a copy inside of my brain. In the first person point of view, I am everywhere and made of the the uh, the history actually of the earth, and at this point in time I am speaking with my mouth about this topic. In a theory like that, each person has an identity, which is the crossing your arms, for example, hugging yourself means that person. But the the mind, which constructs logical thoughts, is everywhere in the first person point of view.